Hello guys, it's Viki here. Welcome to another episode of our Walking in China series. Today, we come to Sansheng Town. It was said that there was a Sansheng temple in ancient time, dedicated to three saints, Huangdi, Yandi and Cangjie. It is located in Hongsha village, Chengdu city in Sichuan province, which has the name of the hometowns of flowers and trees. Speaking of Sansheng Town, we always relate it to flowers because it is one of the areas in southwest China that established flower industries the earliest. Over 200 years ago, it became a famous habitat of jasmine. Since then, people have specialized in growing flowers and have developed a complete and mature flower industry chain. Today, the flower cultivation area of Chengdu is nearly 400,000 mu, and the scale of flower industry is second to none in Western China. The most famous and the largest flower market here in Sansheng Town is this one food flower market. In here, you can buy fresh cut flowers, potted flowers and landscape plantation as well. Here with an area of 200 mu, there's over hundreds of stores that sells flowers here. Every afternoon they get fresh flower deliveries with flower from Yunnan. This area is only selling fresh cut flowers, which are the best sellers, a lot of choice. For example, you can pick a pink one and purple one, put it together, making a flower bunch. This is the first stop. From here, it goes into the hands of florists, flower lovers. Not only the native flowers, there's also flowers from overseas. That one. Wow. 这里面好冷哦。
这里边是那个冻库。
为什么这里面温度这么低啊？
因为我们的花都是那个进口花，就是来自不同的国家，有荷兰进口的，有肯尼亚的，还有南非的。我们为了保证它那个最新鲜的状态
，tulips, different colors of tulips.
一些是那个国外的农场吸染的那个颜色。
So it's dyed. These colors, all different colors, are color palettes. You have bright blue, deep blue, nude, orange, pink tip. 好漂亮哦！这样一束的要多少钱？
这个的话是60。
便宜点嘛，就没少哦。
这个就是其他的。
这个
南非的新娘花，这个是4型，这个是180，这个是荷兰进口的白月，200块钱的。像这个吊钟500块钱一支。500 each. 南非的公主花，那是帝王，有公主有帝王。
Princess flower, this is called king flower. How they look very alike, but this one blossom. 一个月可以卖多少？
大概的话就4吨左右吧。
In this one single store, they could sell 4 tons of flowers each month. Imagine this whole market with these many stores. They could sell so many tons of flowers. It's so beautiful, this one. There are many shops, restaurants, stores, cafes on this Hongsha street. The original countryside has now become a tourist destination. People even drive half an hour here just to take photos and enjoy their afternoons, especially on the weekends. And now you could see there's already people taking photos in this house behind us. Let's have a look and see. Come with me. The restaurant covers an area of more than 4,000 square meters. Shall we take a look inside? So here are some dining places, and people can have afternoon dessert in here. And let's see what else we have here. I saw the miniatures of Danish Grandvik's Church, Monument Valley, the Isle of Oath, the House of Hobbit, Morocco Manor, Mermaid Castle, and Alice's Wonderland. No wonder so many people came here to take photos. A perfect place for some oxygen. So here in Sansheng Town, there are many art museums. One is this Schulerian Museum of Modern Art and Design. It is the first private museum in China, has the total area of 23 more. Let's go inside and see what do they have.
There are 3 exhibition halls with different architectural styles, displaying Mr. Schulerian's representative works such as paintings, sculptures, stainless steel installation works of art, and conceptual furnitures. It is also a hotspot for photo taking too.
Now it's holding this solo exhibition by the artist Vincent Wenzen. He's a lacquer artist from France, blending cultural Western Chinese style artworks. One of the main ingredients are lacquer, which is the thing that this artist is most interested in. As he named himself, Wenzen. It looks like a sightseeing, checking your eyesight. So this is how lacquer is being taken. So it's from a plantation. Look here, a tree. And then it takes a lot of effort, wearing like this thick coat with the knife to cut it. So we are here now, Blue Roof Museum. It is built on the hills with a slight tilt. It's actually adjacent to Bailuwan Wetland Park. So in here, the total construction area is more than 6,000 square meters. And they all say in here, the artworks are integrated with nature. They're blending perfectly. We are now traveling past its art block. There are stores, cafes, shops, and also here are the homes and studios of a lot of famous artists. To be honest, here reminds me of Soho, Manhattan in New York. It's also same like art block here. The creative thinking and dexterous hands of these artists have given different charms to this art block. Look, the chairs on the walls. Vintage furniture store with 3 levels. Also, they have a coffee shop outside.要一杯拿铁吗？冰拿铁少冰，谢谢。哎，这个是马醉木吗？是的，是的。我看到你这边好多植物都很漂亮，这些都在三生乡买的。三生花乡就在这儿。对对，很近。跟你的这个地方很搭。是吗？嗯。谢谢。So I was told by the owner, their shop was based in Africa, and now they came to Chengdu. There's a lot of decorations that has this African vibe attached to it. So from this way, this is a secret furniture shop. Let's have a look. Look where we are. This is like a vintage paradise. And I could see many chairs, and you can see some exquisite artworks and house decorations. Let's see how much they are. For example, 28,000. That's quite, yeah, vintage. It was referring to the collection in a museum. 老古董. These days, this word is more popularized among young people. It can be anything. It can be an old cloth, used furnitures. It's not just only a vintage furniture store, but also it feels like an art exhibition hall for me, displaying the charm of vintage.
Known as one of the top 3 cities of art, Chengdu has over 120 art museums. Besides what we've seen today, there are Herdolling Museum, Zhi Art Museum, Luxlex A4 Art Museum, Sichuan Art Museum, and so on. What we've seen today are the growing pursuit and appreciation of art and beauty of our Chengduers.
And from today's walking tour, we've seen the pursuit of our Chengduers for good and new things. And yet Chengdu, there are so many places left to be discovered. Please leave us a comment below. Let us know where you want us to take you next time. This is Viki, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!